Okay, so this is week 7, the minor tray. This is a Penrose drain. This is a 1/4 inch and it's used for retraction. They wrap it around the spermatic cord and they pull that to the side. You have to moisten it with saline, and this is used for inguinal hernias. This can also be used for a drain. I think abscesses is what she said. So we have Halsted mosquito clamps. These are curved. So Halsted mosquito curved clamp. These are used in plastics, pediatrics, mass removal, just small cases. They look like the curved hysterectomies, but they are smaller. So then we also have the Halsted mosquito straight clamp, which has the same uses as the curved. Nothing else about that. This is a Adson forceps. So the inside is smooth. They said this is not that common, but just be careful on the test that you don't just say, oh, that's an Adson with teeth, because there are no teeth. Then we have the brown Adson forceps. Oh, this is the Adson forceps is used for delicate tissue, just tiny arteries and veins. Okay, so then we have the brown forceps, and it looks like there's a toothbrush. I don't know if you can see in the tip. I guess, would this be a jaw? You just grab tissue with this, that's all it is. And then we have the Horton Adson forceps with the gold. This just has a raised area right on the inside, and that's used, oh, and it has a tooth right there. They use this in plastics, and that's all I know about that. This is an eye needle holder. And then we have a Webster needle holder. So if you'll see the differences, Webster, they are, one of the jaws is longer. So be careful about that. This is a Ragnell retractor. This is it's a double hoe. It's used in carpal tunnels, for bunions, and a couple other things that I didn't write down. Just used for retraction. And then we have skin hook. This is a double prong skin hook. These are very sharp. So they look like the little trident looking, who's that, Poseidon skin hook. But this is, they use these in, I think somebody saw that they used it in a thyroidectomy. And then this is just a single prong skin hook. So pretty simple, same purpose. Then we have a straight iris scissor. This is used to cut tissue. There's also a curved iris scissor. These look like the scissors that come in your fingernail kits. Then we have the bandage scissor. Pretty simple. let's just say like there's a bandage on my hand, like you want to be able to just cut across if you had to change the dressing. So that prevents you from cutting the patient's skin, which is nice. It's always a nice plus to not have to injure the patient. Then for 14, we've seen these before. These are curved mayos. Nothing additionally special about it. It's just also on this list. And then we have the Littler scissor. These cut tiny pieces of skin. One very significant thing about these is that there are holes in the jaw pieces. So if you see scissors that have holes in the end right there, Littler. And these are these are Metz. These are shorter than the ones that we've seen before, but they're just still just called Metz, and we've obviously seen that before. Alright, so these next two, they're called Stevens Tentomi? I don't remember how she said it, do you? She's not listening to me. Okay. The Tentomi? Okay. Anyways, there are curved and straight. These are used to cut tissue, and the very specific thing about these is that they slightly, if you can see right here, the very tip of it indents. You can see it's not just a smooth straight up. It kind of comes up and then goes in and comes up. And they both do that. Yeah. And these come in different sizes, but these are the ones that you need to know.